What's up, Grumpy Nation? We about to get our first little cold spell of the season. Ain't nothing too dramatic, but we gonna hit the 30s tonight, so I'm just finna run through real quick, check everybody out. The chickadees up under the heat lamp, so they good. I'm gonna work my way back here. I'm finna take some of this. You know what, let me do it like this. Put some bedding down for the rabbits. Even though they good, they built for the cold. But I'ma get them a little extra bedding. Green Squad. They good, they so thick. They ain't worried about the cold. They just ready to eat anytime I walk out here. And Dumb and Dumb over there, they got double thick coats, so they ain't worried about no cold. So we gonna make our way around here. Check these rabbits. Yeah, the goats, they good. Got me some eggs in there for tomorrow. Chickens, everybody out here good, cause they going in tonight. They fed it up, they good. So let's double check the wascally rabbits. See the wascally rabbits? Hey, you back up. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna just bed them down a little bit, but they fine. They built for the cold. Don't you jump out of there. Put a little down on the floor. Cause that floor metal, I'm just trying to put a little bedding down, a little extra bedding. They can eat it too, so. A little winter prep. Rabbit's good. I see them ghosts going. See, they little mischievous little things. They got their new roof on there today. Put their new roof on up under there. Oh, no, you can't see it. See, new little goat roof. Rabbit roof, and put them a new little step ladder up in there. So, they good. See them damn goats? Told you, boy, they gonna give me problems. I see that already. That's pretty much it though, y'all. Ain't no big thing. 30 degrees ain't bad around here for my critters. Everybody pretty much built for that. So ain't no big deal. If anything, I just gotta worry about the water hose freezing up, but it gotta get down below 30 for that, and I don't think it's gonna get too much colder than that. So there you go, little winter prep. Fall season, my favorite time of the year. Catch y'all on the next video.